Okay. Guys ready? All right, number one. In a sale, a disc player that usually costs $120 is advertised for 30% off. How much is the sale price? Almost. There's a couple things we need to do. So it's 30% off. So how do I write this as a decimal? Good. 0.30. 30% of what operation is of? What did you say, multiply? Yes, all of is multiplication. So 30% of 120. This is our first step. What is that? Oh, I have a calculator.
And you usually like your phone to like speed.
There you go. There you go. So
36.
okay, times 120 equals 36. Okay. All right, that is the discount. That's how much we less we pay. How do I figure out how much we pay if this is the discount? Minus, exactly. So the second step is, okay, you're on fire. 120 minus 36, because that's our discount. And what do I get? 84. That's okay. 84, that is what you pay. $84 is what you pay. So see how there's two steps there? So you would use this if you were in the store buying, final warning, buddy. If you were buying something and you wanted to know how much it would cost you on sale. Questions on number one. Harley, do you have this all?
I'm writing two still.
Okay.
Okay, it's down.
Okay, you guys good?
Yeah.
Number two, a racing bicycle that regularly sells for $1,500 is advertised for $1,200. What is the percent of discount? Okay, so remember,
It is the same thing. What's the difference?
kind of, but there's a shortcut I'm going to teach you. When you have the two numbers and you want to know what percent is this of this, you just divide. So you just take the 1,200. Oh, well, sorry. Divided by 1,500, and what do you get?
0.8.
Okay, 0.8. Now that's our decimal. How do I make that a percent? Good. By what? 100.
Yes.
And that, remember, divide to give a decimal. To get a percent, we multiply by 100, and that gives me 80%. So this is what we're paying. Now they want to know the percent of the discount. So what is left over from 100 from our 80? So it's a 20% discount. It's not a ton. You are correct.
Can you achieve like an 80% discount on everything? Please can you?
Well, if the world were run by you, yes.
I'm the president. Yeah, I'm the president of the world.
Okay. So number two, you're not really going to use that much. You're not going to be out and say, oh, I wonder what percent discount this is. You know, you're not really going to, you're saving money. You're not really going to be worried about that. So the next one is important because you're going to want to know, you are just push, push, push today. You want to know what's the better deal. Harley, do you have number two down?
Yeah.
Did I stay with you?
I just didn't write discount. Do you want me to?
Yes, I do.
Okay, give me a minute. Okay, it's down.
All right. A shirt that sells, regularly sells for $22 is on sale for $18. A special sale is advertised at 40% off the regular price for 20% off the sale price, which is the better deal. All right, so let's start with 40% off the regular price. What's the regular price? Almost 22. There's a lot of work for this problem. I'm just warning you, okay? So we're gonna figure out what is 40% off the regular price. So 0.40 times 22, what does that give us?
What is it, 40 times 22?
0.40 times 22.
Oh, no.
Okay, so that gives us $8.80. That is our discount, but what do we pay? We have to do 22 minus $8.80. What do we get? 22 minus $8.80.
That's like 1 to 32.
Yeah, $13.20. This is what we pay. Okay, so that's if we did this first one, 40% off the regular price. The next one is 25% off the sale price. So we do 0.25 times our sale price of 18, and what do we get? 0.25 times 18. Okay, 450. That's our discount, and so we take 18 minus 450.
Wait, which one are we writing on the line? I'm so confused.
Well, this is the work for number 3. If you were listening, I said there's a lot of work for this, so that's why I put it off to the side.
I promise I am listening, but I ain't hear that.
All right, so 18 minus my discount of 450 gives me 1350. So it's either this price or this price. Which one is the better deal?
Is it the first one?
Yeah, the first one. The 40% off is better, only by 30 cents, but it's still better. 40% off is better.
Saving the whole set.
All of this needs to be on your paper.
I am now.
Yeah. I don't think most people use the fourth one.
Yeah, but people probably don't really care. You have number 3 down? Yes. Harley, you good with 3?
No, I'm switching through my tabs to see the stuff. It's hard. I'm going.
Can you do a split screen?
No, because it's in Squid.
Well, you can do it half and half.
Okay, I'll see in a second. Just give me a minute.
Okay. You need to put that away, buddy. Take your headphones out. We're just waiting for Harley, headphones out, because that's gonna be the ruin of you for the rest of the year if you're listening to music during class the whole time. When we get on ISO, you can put your music on.
Okay, I'm good.
All right. Number 4, last year, 15,600 people attended a particular rock concert. Daniel. You want me to take that? This year, the attendance was down 6%. About how many people attended the concert this year? All right. So what is 6% of 15,600? multiply first. 0.06, because that's my decimal of the percent. 0.06 times 15,600. 936. 936 less people attended, but how many total people attended? What do we do with these two numbers to find out the difference? Divide. Difference is subtracting. When I do that on my calculator, I find that 14,664 people attended the concert. So the big thing is you have to be sure you're answering the question, because if you stopped at 936, that's not the question. The question is how many people attended. 936 is the number less that attended. These are a little tricky, but this is a real life.
I have it all down, just saying.
Okay, thank you. You guys good? Yes? All right, we are skipping number 5. I don't like that problem. All right, so to turn the page, we're going to go to number 6. Nope, if you weren't on your phone, you would have heard me say we're skipping number 5. Number 6, the list price for a pair of inline skates is $60, but they are on sale for $48. What is the percent of discount? Okay, so remember I said when you want to find a percent, you divide, but this says percent of discount. So first we have to figure out how much our discount is. Put it right here. Nope, put it right here. You want me to take it or do you want to put it right here? No, this is your option. You know the consequence. Right here. Right no, here, so you're not taking it. No, you have to put it here. Here. Or with me. I will take it up here and then you won't have an option at all. So we have to do 60 minus 48 to figure out our money discount, and that's 12. Perfect. Now to figure out the percent, remember the shortcut was you divide 12 divided by 60. What do you get?
60.
Yep. Okay, 0.2, we want that as a percent, so we multiply by what? 100. And that gives us 20%. So the percent of discount is 20%. So again, make sure you are answering the question. Carly, did you have all of number 6?
I have half of it right now.
Okay, that's all right. Keep going.
I'm about to be done. I'm sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Well, I know, like, we work fast. I'm, like, being really slow right now.
You're okay.
I'm done.
Okay. Number 7. if you earn $6.50 an hour at the start of driving and are given a raise of 702, what is the percent of increase in wages?
They give you $74 for this, that, and all. Or like,
Okay, so we went from 650 to 702. How do we tell how much of an increase that is? What do we do with 702 and 650? Not divide.
multiply,
Find the difference, we subtract.
but it's like the whole 12 cents.
Well, it's not 12 cents. What do we get?
Well,
Yeah, that's fine.
What? And then, why would it stay steady?
Minus 650.
0.56.
So it's 52 cents. So that is our money increase. Now remember, we said that if we want to find the percent, we take and we divide. So we do 52 cents divided by 650. That's going to give us our decimal increase, and then we make it a percent. What do we get? 0.52 divided by 650.
0.0008.
0.08.
Yes.
Okay. And then if we multiply that by 100, that gives us 8%. So that's an 8% raise, actually, an 8% increase. It's not a ton, but that's about average. You're not usually going to get like a 50% raise. Kenyon, do you have this all? Okay. Harley, how you doing?
I just got it all done.
Okay. All right, number 8 is pretty much the same way. So the monthly payment for Pablo's car is $425 with the interest. That payment is $476. What is the interest rate? So how do I find? First, I want to find the difference of these two. What is that? Yes, 476 minus 425 is what? 51.
42.
That's our money interest. Then we take 51 divided by our 425, and this is going to tell us the percent, the rate.
0.12.
Okay, 0.12, and then I want that as a percent, so I multiply by 100, and I get 12%. 12% interest rate is on the higher side. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
I didn't.
Someone
And you
sorry.
just got that.
I know, but I gave you multiple chances, so.
It seems quite apparent that we are doing work.
Yeah.
Get thumbs on. It's got thumbs on. Yes. Yeah. He's got thumbs. It's happened. I'm from the camera pro.
Well, it could be because you like ripped your whole thing apart.
That's 51 or just
51.
51. I think I read the rock there. Like,
I said once those.
There's a rock in there.
no, like broke. So I don't remember putting something through. I think so. Broke through it.
But your camera up top still works, right?
Yeah, it's the
Okay.
bottom.
All right.
I found a bottle in the fridge.
On the bottom.
Yeah, like an oil bottle.
Pretty nice. It's like an old
from
antique
Pittsburgh.
one. That's actually really cool.
Oh, my phone's not dead.
Over the summer, I wanna do, I wanna get like a metal detector and go on my back.
I have one. It's a.
Okay, do we, everyone have number 8? Yeah, my husband has a metal detector. He likes that.
Can you develop it?
It's in my bag. Broken old shed, that has like a bottle with it for me.
It's probably like where they dump stuff.